We're going on another one. Hannah's going to demonstrate here. And Kara. Whoa, whoa, you're going fast. Look at that. All things you find in the woods. Oh, yeah, tilted a little bit for challenge. Some smaller planks, some longer planks. Going up. Going up. Look at that.
Safety first.
Safety first, right?
That was not really safe.
And there's a log. You got to walk the log. Whew. Oh my goodness, this goes all the way around.
It's big. I can do it with one hand.
Want me? I'll take your tablet. I can hold your tablet for you.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
I said nope. I didn't.
There's Kenna walking the plank. Look at that. Oh, and it goes all around.
Like the tree.
Oh, look at that. It's got handles on the tree to help the kids get around the tree to get to the next one.
I just hugged the tree.
Yeah. Linked by some chains. What good idea. Huh.
It's actually fun.
Use nature. There's Kayla. She's doing it too.
Okay, I'm going this way.
Use nature to do it all. Are you trying this one?
I just heard. What did you say? Spider!
Spider?
What's wrong with a spider? Leave it alone then.
Just with the links. Look, even the little ones can do it. Look at that. She's walking it.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, she's jumping. Whoa. And it goes around. Oh, Kenna's still going. Walking some more. Yeah, did you have fun? Look at that, it echoes.
She's saying, let's go.
Oh, let's go?
She wants to go.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
I didn't do it. I didn't do it for you.
Oh my goodness, now you got one with chains? Just chain and a rope.
Hey, I'm doing it.
Just chain and a rope.
I'm doing it with one hand.
She's got your patience, babe.
You just gotta push frontwards. And you go on it. Watch out.
Careful, she's going to get you.
Oh no.
She's totally going to...
Ooh, she's coming through. And see how they just put it around? And the blocks turn around and help to hold it. So don't just slide to the bottom of the tree. And then you got the little pieces of wood for kids to grab on. Pretty cool. You can see real close how they hook one to the other. Just need some good bolts, right? Isn't that neat? All the extra fun you can have in the woods. They just put all this right in the woods. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. All right, here we go. Off some more. Following the trail. You can see someone was putting sticks together, kind of like a teepee, to take cover when it's raining. Right there. All righty. Bye-bye.